Welcome everyone, I'm Ricky from Tech Talk and this is the brand new Honor 20 Lite, and today is a basic video just showing you how to insert your SIM card and your SD card, or this device does offer a dual SIM option as well, so you can add in two SIM cards, but you won't be able to add in two SIM cards and an SD card, so you have to choose which option you want. So before we begin, make sure you power your device off. So the power button is located on the right hand side here, press and hold and you're going to see power off here. So it's going to power off, you can hear a vibration. Give that a little second to power off. On this side, we have a SIM tool that comes provided in the box. You have a nano-sized SIM card, and this is the most common used SIM card now on the market. You have a micro SD card. So you can have all the way up to 512 gigabytes as this device is used in Android 9. And that gives you that ability to use such a high amount of SD card storage. So mine isn't that size, but you can use up to 512 gigabytes. Make sure you do back up your SD card before putting it into your device, just in case you have to reformat it when it's inserted. You don't want to lose any of your data. So taking a look at the top of our device here, you can see a tiny little pinhole. This is where your pin is going to slot in here to actually pop out the tray. So when you place your pin in, press down, make sure you press straight down, don't bend it. You'll see that tray pop up. And then with some fingernails, if you have any, just get your fingers in there and pull this out. There we go. So we're going to set our phone back down here and we're going to have a look at this tray. So like I said, you can either add a SD card here and a SIM card here, or you can put a SIM card across this way and a SIM card across this way. So you can have a dual SIM option if you so wish to. But we're going to do a micro SD card. So taking our micro SD card first, we're going to set this in. It's just going to sit here very gently though, so please be careful with this. So it doesn't clip in as such, it's just going to sit there. Then I'm going to take our SIM card. So taking our SIM card, the cutoff is in the bottom right corner. Again, that is just going to sit in there as well, so please be very careful. So just take a second to look of how I've set it up. And obviously if you wanted to add in that other SIM card, that's going to go across this way and take out the micro SD card. So bring our device back in, line them back up. Push all the way in. We're going to power our device back on. While this is powering back on, let me discuss what's coming up next on the channel. So we're going to have a dedicated accessibility video for this device as well, because the accessibility settings change depending on device and depending on software. So you might see it on one device, but not all features are copied over to another device. Then we're going to have a camera review as well. I've just released some images I've taken from this device. That'll be up shortly. And then also we're going to have a dedicated review. But if you want to see any other video, please leave a comment down below and I'll be more than happy to help. So I believe our phone is all ready to go. So what I'm going to do is just put in my code here. If you look at the top corner here, you are seeing EE and you've got some signal bars. So this is only a data SIM. So you can choose to have a data SIM, a minutes and text SIM, or two different location SIM cards if you want to use a dual SIM option. So if we go into settings, in settings, go to storage, which is this option here. So you have your internal storage and then you'll have your external storage. And it's noticed that it's a SanDisk card here. And again, it'll show you what you've used on there, which is really good. So very simple and very easy to do, but I just want to highlight because some people have a little bit of a question how it's done and how to use it as well. I hope this video has helped. Thanks always for watching, and if you're new to Tech Talk, hit subscribe and ring the notification bell to stay updated with all of my latest videos from Tech Talk. And from me, Ricky, I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.